Sometimes, when you measure a parameter, you want to consult its data quickly and punctually. Dracal Technologies has thought of you. With the Big View tab of the DracalView software, it is possible to display one or more channels for a quick consultation of the data. It is suggested to start with the Configuration tab, where you can choose to display units and aliases in Big View by checking the appropriate boxes in the Appearance inset. This is also where you can change the units of your measurements if needed. Next, go to the Sources tab, where you can change the alias of the channel or channels to display. Finally, check the Big View box and click on the Big View tab to see the result. That's it! Your screen now displays the measured data in real time for quick reference. The Big View tab, the Graph option, and logging via the Logging tab can all be active simultaneously. Visualization and data logging made easy, saving you precious time and energy to move forward with your projects. That is exactly what Dracal Technologies can give you. See you soon!